Okay, today in the shop we're going to be working on the this here old school Bronco. I believe it's a 70 or 72, I think. So what we're going to be doing is installing new exhaust. So the kit we opted to use is the Summit Racing. I guess it's called the Hot Rod Builder Kit. So this is the kit here. Basically consists of some U-bends and some 45s and some straights. It comes polished from Summit, pretty good deal. So we're gonna be installing this kit down here in this vehicle here. So let me get it up on the lift, and then I'll show you what the current system looks like and what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with on the exhaust side. It looks like we have 1 5/8 primary tubes coming into a what seems to be, looks like a 2-inch collector, or not 2-inch collector. And some janky stuff going on there. And then on this side we have your traditional 3-flange bolt flange collector, but it has a shortened, I guess the collector's shortened on that one. Actually, I think it's shortened on this one too, because they just welded a pipe in there. And then on this side, they use a V-band, and then on this side, they use a different style. And it kind of goes through here. One goes underneath the cross member, and one goes over. And they go to some MagnaFlow mufflers, but it looks like it's 2 1/4 inch. And it kind of goes back to same thing. So it looks like we're gonna have our work cut out for us today. Yeah, these all look like 2 1/4. The bends are the compression bends, so whatever the designed cross section of the pipe is, whatever is normally, it's reduced to maybe 20% or maybe 15% when they do the bend, so it kind of chokes down there. So that's what it looks like. Looks like it's rubbing here on the leaf spring. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of what we're working with. We'll see if we can't clean this up, make it look a little better, and perform better, and sound better. Alrighty. Just like that. It won't be this long. I'll probably cut it right about here, and cut it right about here, and then I'll put maybe a 15-degree angle on this side and that side to kick them out. And that's it. So now for the other side. I'll let it cool down a little bit, and then I'll do this side. All right, my side's down. Are you nervous?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
I'm not gonna lie. I am a little bit nervous.
Really?
A little bit.
Why, you think you won't like it?
No, I don't know. Just
Not what you're expecting, maybe?
because it's something new.
Oh, okay.
We've never done a merge collector like that before. Cold start.
Cold start.
That sounds good.
Oh yeah. That sounds good.
That sounds good, yeah. Way better.
Way better than it sounded. Man, that's so much better. A little rump to it.
Yeah.
He's gonna love it.
Yeah.
Not too loud.
Yeah.
Like you can cruise it.
It's also in a.
Enclosure.
Yeah.
Man, that sounds good. No, I'm not nervous anymore.
Yeah. It sounds really good.
So now the key or the test is rev it up. See what it sounds like. So it sounds like everything is kind of blending together.
Yeah.
Where you don't really hear the individual pulses. You can hear
You do
both,
barely though.
you can hear both banks out of both sides, or both banks out of one side.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
I only run at 3,500 and it sounds like it's at 6,000.
Sounds really good.
Loud, but it sounds really good.
Yeah. Sounds really good.
Funny, it sounds like it's revving a lot faster than it actually is because of the blended exhaust.
Yeah.
I think that design is a success.
Yeah. Yeah, it sounds really good. It's good for this car because it's not too obnoxious, but it's
Yeah.
also it sounds good when you drive it. Yeah.
When you drive it. Good. But the thing is, it's not obnoxious, and actually, in the inside of the cab, it sounds a little bit more throaty, but it's not ridiculous.
Yeah. You can still have a conversation.
Yeah.